welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know it's been a long time since I last posted. I am sorry for being so inconsistent, but well, there were so many things that needed to be sorted, so I'm finally here. This video is going to be, like the title says, a review and an honest opinion about Beautify Yourself. So in September, I discovered this website or the Instagram page that is called as Beautify Yourself, and I went through their products, the prices. I mean, it was very surprising to find that you would get the images that were shown, the clothes that were shown, those clothes at that price. Well, the pictures were mostly what looked like Shein clothes, but then we all obviously knew that the place would be a scam. But is it? Let's see, I need to find out. So I decided to order a few clothes and check out for myself. Now, originally when I placed the order, the website said New Delhi as their address, and no offense to the people from Delhi, Delhi is a place where all scams come from, okay? I'm talking from personal experience, I've been through so many. So besides that, now I placed my order on 15th of September. That's 3 months from now, and I received my order 5 days ago. So that's a very long period, and that too I had to email and constantly DM them. At a point I had given up and I was going to post about not buying from there or not taking risks from that place on my Instagram, but then suddenly, I don't know what happened, things changed, their team changed or something like that, and I started getting responses, and then I got my order within 2 days of having that conversation with them, because I texted them saying that you're a fraud and things like that. But then they did send my order. It wasn't obviously what we expected, but then okay. So the first thing is this top. Now the image, I'll put the image along with this video, and the image that was shown was a ribbed top. This is nowhere ribbed, it is a normal cotton material top, and the material is very bad, and it already has a stain too. I don't know if it's visible, but there's a pink stain here. This is exactly how it came. Then there was a cord. Now what happened was we ordered a few clothes, and by the time they finally decided that they will send in our order, they were out of the colors that we placed an order for. So they asked me to change the colors for 2 or 3 of these. So this was supposed to be grey, and it came, then I had to choose pink instead of grey because grey wasn't available. This is a cord. Now it was a top. The top was off shoulder one, just like it is right now. The quality of this one is decent enough. I can understand. I mean, I'm not disappointed with this, but then I won't wear it if I'm going somewhere out. This is something that I can wear locally or around my area, something like that. This, and yeah, this has no stains whatsoever. And what was supposed to be a jogger is this. What even is this? It's not even a legging. I don't know what this is. And it has a, I don't know what's this called. There's this line in the middle where it looks like it's being distressed or something like that, and there's also another line here, but that's actual tear. That's an actual tear, and it also has a hole here, this tiny one. So this one sucked, and it won't even fit. This, or the size of this one was supposed to be L. This is not L. This will barely fit an M. I don't know. So okay, now this top, I ordered an L. This is not L. This is nowhere close to an L. And plus the material, it sucks. I mean, what material is this? This was supposed to be something like the white one that I've ordered. According to the image. And well, this is what I got. I did try it on, and it fits. Yeah, it's stretchable, so it fits. But then it becomes see-through, and it's very disappointing. Plus it has stains. These blue stains over here. So well, waste. And this top. Now again, the image of this was shown as another top that I already have, a blue colored top. I'll show that one too. And it was supposed to be ribbed. Okay, so this is ribbed. The material is decent. Yes, I like the material. It is not exactly as shown in the picture, but this one's not as bad as the others. It is good enough. I wore it, it fits well, and the pattern is exactly as shown. It has slits on the side. So this one was okay. I did not feel as disappointed about this. And finally, this black dress. Now I wore this for New Year's. I'll put the image here in the video somewhere. And this one was also supposed to be a ribbed dress and a cold shoulder one. So I'm sorry, I've not done this. Why am I like this? Well, so this was supposed to be ribbed and a cold shoulder one. Now the material is nice. I like it. It fits very well on the body. It looks good. It gives me a good shape. But for the cold shoulder part, now this is not a cold shoulder. It comes down till here and then goes to here. So it looks very weird. It looks like a triangle on my shoulder, on both my shoulders. I knew I should not expect a great material, but then again, when I shop from Bandra or places like Street Style Store, I place an order for similar items and it pays a similar prices and I get a better material. I'm quite happy with that compared to this. So I would not recommend buying from this place because there's no possibility of this place being legit or something like that, because half the time I've heard a lot of people did not even receive their orders. The page had a little issue where they turned their comments off because people were commenting, give my order, give me my order, send my clothes, or give me back my money, things like that. So these people might or might not deliver your order to you, or even if they do, then you can see the quality of these. So that's it for today's video. Stupid bags. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel and make your friends do so too. Bye.